9 reasons to choose WindowsNeedCleaning to clean your windows. The 100% pure water system cleans more efficiently than conventional methods. Operators work from the safety of the ground, no ladders are used. Reaches previously inaccessible windows with ease. Environmentally friendly, no detergents or chemicals are used. No detergents means that windows stay cleaner for longer. Easily reaches windows over lawns and flower beds. Reduces disturbance and maintains privacy. Frames and sills are cleaned the same time as the glass. Recognized to be the future of window cleaning. Contact Tracy today by phone or email, by tapping or clicking the buttons below to arrange for your free, no obligation window cleaning quote. Sorry, regular customers only. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.